Hey, it's me Moana and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know more about Sample Room and what free products I got today, just keep on watching. So for today's video, we will gonna be doing unboxing featuring Sample Room at kung paano ba tayo nakakakuha ng free products from Sample Room. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Body Shop, Drops of Light, Pure Healthy Brightening Serum. Okay? Mahal to guys. Alam ko 1,000 plus ito sa Body Shop. This one is St.Ives Acne Control Scrubbing. Ano ba yun? Apricot Scrub. Apricot Scrub. Facial Cleanser. Yan. And then, yung last is the Simple Wipes. Yes, George. No, this is for Mama. Okay? So, ayan po ang ating nakuhang free sample products. Okay. From Sample Room. It's me Moana and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know more about Sample Room and what free products I got today, just keep on watching. So, ito po ang mga products na nakuha namin sa Sample Room. Ang kulit ng baby ko na. Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
My name
Channel. My name
is
is I am making set. Yeah.